I am going to demonstrate for you today my robot I have built. It drives around via Bluetooth, and when you get close to something in front of it, it will automatically stop. It also has an autonomous just kind of roam around function. The motors are controlled by this chip right here with an Uno. We also have a Bluetooth module and a sonar sensor. The app I'm using to control is a Bluetooth commander. It has an X, Y, Z for forward, backwards, left, and right, 6 buttons, and 3 data inputs or outputs from the Bluetooth module. So we're going to connect to my robot. So now that we're connected, you can see the data from my robot. You can see data 1 is a distance in front of it, just kind of something I've been using for debugging. It will stop and say it's found something, anything under 12 inches. So those units are in inches. Data 2 is just kind of what mode are we in, what's the robot thinking, also just something I use for debugging. But data 3 says what buttons you've pushed. So button 1 is my sonar, essentially. So when button 1 is enabled, it turns off the radar so you can drive around without it stopping. But when you turn it off, it says sonar is on. Button 2 is a high and a low setting. It sends your speed to max at 255 or regular cruise for just 150. And then button 3 is an autonomous mode. I'll demonstrate for you now. So we're going to put my robot on the floor. I'm going to enable button 3. And there it starts driving. When it sees the wall, it'll stop and drive and turn. So if I come and jump in front of it, it'll stop. Just like that. And it'll just keep going until I come over here and push my stop button. So now we're back in manual mode. We can drive backwards, we can drive forwards, and when we go to get close to something, it should stop. Just like that.